So what I'm looking at in terms of insulation is a wood fibre based insulation. It's Gutex Thermoflex that I'm using. This is the Gutex Thermoflex that I'm using, and the reason I'm using it is thinking back to caravans. There is a problem in summer with overheating and, you know, cooling down too rapidly in winter. And the thing about this insulation is it has quite a high thermal mass. Maybe an easier way of thinking of it is a specific heat capacity. It takes quite a lot of energy to heat it up, but that also means that it's less susceptible to overheating. So that's why I'm using this material as opposed to something like sheep's wool or, you know, more conventionally rock wool or something like PIR type insulation. What I'd like to do now is to talk a bit more about the frame and the insulation, the Thermoflex insulation. So here's a bit of a close-up of this frame. It's slotted and glued together basically. You have these ribs and then these sections just slot into place and are glued. And then you cut the insulation to fit the space between. So we've got Thermoflex here. In this instance, I'm using 2 layers of 40mm insulation. It's down to supply and things at the moment. Things are quite difficult from that point of view. And basically, it's just a good push fit into each of these spaces.